I heard this old joke once. It was like, knock knock, who there? It's us. Us who? Just us. Who this? Just playing, just me. New phone, new hair, new era. I'm in the penthouse, baby. Handpicked from bad apples and bad eggs. Held back, I had to grab legs. And then there were only but a few conversations, celebrations, with a party, with a view, with a dress, with a song, what a beautiful time. My folks downstairs still waiting in line. They never been in these rooms, never stayed with these folks. Never laughed at the news, never hated these jokes. So as I fly in my suit, in a group, undercover, forcing a new smile, he tells me another. He said, what happened to the boy that climbed up the trunk? Then he pushed me out the top and said, jump, nigga, jump! Ooh, don't bring me down. I need a room up in the clouds.
Before I fuck that bitch, I eat her ass. Before I fuck that bitch, I eat her ass. But first I put my thumb in, check the temperature of that ass. Damn, I love some ass. Can I taste that ass? But if it ain't 98.6, I'ma have to pass that shit. I put my thumb in and check the temperature of that ass.
So what, bro? You trying to 1v1 or what?
You don't want that shit, bro.
Man, forget going to the club to meet something new. When I want me something new, I go get me a basket and I go walk around Walmart. All the women be in Walmart, you hear me?
I was gonna reckon something.
They gotta have some tarps, bro. Tarps is the main reason we came. That'd be fun, bro. I feel like that. Got it.
It's gonna fit, bro.
Shake your ass. Watch yourself. Shake your ass. Show me what you're working with. Shake your ass. Watch yourself. Shake your ass.
You know what we should do? What? Pick up homeless people. You know they hot as fuck.
You know they gotta be hot.
It's hot as fuck outside.
Touch it, bro. It's good.
I'm ready, bitch.
You got me fucking soaked, bro.
Oh, it's cold as fuck. Bro, yo, get me in the sunshine.
Alright, so fucking Cam's in the back. What's up, Cam?
What's up, man?
We're gonna go pick up our buddy Tavo from work. He doesn't know we got this in the back. We're gonna try to make him hop in with his work clothes on. I don't know, we'll see what happens. I already know I'm gonna have to go fast, bro.
Don't! Bro, cause especially don't go fast and then stop fast. Cause all this shit gonna dump out the back. Oh, it's about to dump. Oh, it's dumping. Chill. It's about to get your phone. Oh, we're losing water fast.
Bro.
Hey, hold up. It feels good.
I know
Hey,
it
mind if I hop
does.
in?
Yeah, go.
Yeah, I want my stuff.
You didn't even have to tell him to hop in. What? No fucking.
Oh, wow, this feels good.
Look at Randy Orton slithering. Watch out.
My ass on backwards. I didn't even record.
I'm shivering, bro. My ass shaking.
We got Tavo and Cam back there. We're finna head to McDonald's.
Hey, dog, let me help you?
Yeah, can I get 3 ice cream cones?
Thank you. Oh. That was my fault. Don't worry about it.
Give me a minute, I can put another one.
Alright, thank you. The others are for them two in the back.
Appreciate it.
I ain't was a rapper on it, bro.
So this was a joke, so I didn't have to make another one? Oh my god.
Oh my god. Thank you, though.
You're welcome. Y'all have a good one.
God, that shit's cold.
Oh shit! Oh shit! This nigga really trying to save us?
You just fucked me up. Like I was like over here on the fucking ground and the fucking whole wave. I was talking to Cam, like, oh my. I still got my motherfucking ice cream. Yeah! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god, dude, that was fucking fun. Oh, we stopped! Oh, we stopped!
How was it? Good? It was good? It was fun. It was fun. Alright, bro.
Before I fuck that bitch, I eat her ass. But first I put my thumb in, check the temperature of that ass. Damn, I look so